So now, welcome back to our video. We will now be looking at deriving using the derivative rule. So suppose you have y equals to ax to the power of n. The derivative rule dy over dx, meaning you're deriving the function y in respect to x, or can write it as y prime, is equals to, you take the exponent, you multiply it, so you bring it down and multiplying it with the exponent, with the coefficient. So n, the exponent, multiplied by the front coefficient, a x, and then the exponent you minus it with 1. So you've now derived, this is the rule of derivative, you've derived the y function into the y prime. So just to make an example, let's see an example quickly. Suppose you have y equals to 4x squared. So what do? We use y prime. Alternatively, we say dy over dx. We take the exponent, we multiply by the coefficient. 4 times 2 is 8x. We then take the 2 minus 1. 8x to the power of 1. Another example will be y equals to 12x to the power of 5. Y prime equals to 5 times 12. So you have 5 times 12 x to the power of 5 minus 1, because you take the exponent, you minus 1/3. What is 5 times 12? That gives you 60. 5, then the exponent 5 minus 1 is 4. Another example would be y equals to x to the power 4. Dy over dx will give you, because there is no number seen here, we ought to always remember that there is an invincible 1. So 4 times 1 gives you 4x to the power 3. Because say 4 minus 1 is 3. So let's try another example. Y equals to 8 negative 2. 8x to the power negative 2. So the derivative of y with respect to x is equals to 2 times 8, negative 2 times 8, x to the exponent negative 2 minus 1. Dy over dx, negative 2 times 8 is 16, x negative 3. So I think we've done enough examples now. So on the next video, we will look into what happens when you have more than one term. And we'll also look into what happens when we have a constant. Can you derive a constant? Thank you.